You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a equal or greater than -3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 46 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by 3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a equal or greater than -3.